just made it onto this sightseeing bus. Cool. Bungee jump up there. There's like a band playing. Oh, it's a cool shot with the moon in the background. Bungee jumping up there next.
Yeah, look at that. It's like glitters. It's sparkling at night. Look at the water and the moon. Wow. Allah, sit down.
Sit down.
Wow. Looks like France. Francis Imoksan.
Very majestic.
Wow.
We made it. We started when the sun was still out. Thank you. And now it's dark, so it was a good like almost an hour. Nice little ride though.
Yeah.
Here's the view from outside. Cool bus. This one was called City Sightseeing Hanoi. But of course we're not in Hanoi. But they take off every half hour. They park here and here, and then 2 more over there. So the location where we are tonight, if you want to come check it out, it's in Ho Chi Minh City, and that building behind us, if you just search the People's Committee building, is a French colonial city hall built in the early 1900s. Now it's the headquarters of the People's Committee. Here's some bubbles here. Very interesting area to walk around. Dare to go tickle their nose.
The opposite.
Whoa!
Safe landing.
This area is a lot longer and bigger than I thought it was going to be. We started right back there by the committee, the People's Committee building. We've been walking for a while. ma'am, you cannot park here. Here, I'm gonna ask you to move.
They asked me to move this one
Oh,
because they swept and said I don't know how to drive, and he said so I need to carry the bike like I know how to drive, didn't I?
hey guys, good evening. So we came back from the place we were earlier. Richie actually had a class tonight. So this is after the class. We had some munchies. We ate at a Mexican restaurant that was really good, and Richie gave me half of her food.
Yeah, I was.
She wasn't very hungry at the time. So
I was hungry, but maybe like it filled me up.
Filled you up quick?
Yeah.
So she gave me a lot of her food, so I'm full. I'm stuffed. So she got this. It's like a shrimp noodle soup, which actually looks really good. Even though I'm really full, it still does look good. But do you think you'll be able to finish it all?
Yeah.
All right, good for you. It's a big salad, lettuce, then extra shrimp there. And then I've been loving this. This is Vietnamese yogurt. It is very delicious. I had some earlier. I didn't make a video clip. I should have. It's like, it reminded me of ice candy. It came like in a plastic little thing that you cut open and you just eat it like that. And it's like ice candy pretty much. Ice candy yogurt, Vietnamese style. And it's very, very good. So this is a different kind of style, but this is Vietnamese yogurt. It's so good. This is one of my new favorites now. Very delicious. So that's actually one of the things I recommend when you come to Vietnam, is try the yogurt here. It's just a little bit different from probably the regular yogurt that you might be used to. It's got a little different different kick to it. But very, very delicious. How's your soup?
Very good.
Very good? It looks really good. Those are big pieces of shrimp.
Yeah.
Wow.
My favorite noodles is the one we tried with my friend. The bon ham, because it has like shrimp and then squid and pork, and I love it. But they don't have here in District 1. I noticed they only have in District 4. So, but so far this one is good. Shrimp and pork.
Yeah. Are you talking about the one that kind of had like a brown soup? Okay. That one was really good. It was definitely fishy tasting. So if you like fish, that'd be the one to get. This one, does it taste fishy?
No, because it has pork, shrimp, and quail egg.
Oh, quail egg too. That's a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
You wanna try?
I'm stuffed. I could barely probably finish this yogurt. But this yogurt is delicious. This is almost like my dessert. That's all you.
Okay.
Alright, so this is pretty much what we're doing right now. I'm probably gonna eat this. Yeah. And then this is actually walking distance from our place. So it's kind of nice when you're hungry at nighttime. You can pretty much go out almost any time and find something to eat. So it's kind of nice.
Yeah, we're supposed to go to the mall and check something. For food, but they are closed.
Yeah, they're closed. So usually the malls or things like that close around maybe 10, and it's past 10 now. So the side streets are usually open a little bit later. But all right, that's actually making me hungry, and I'm full. All right, guys. Well, I guess we'll see you guys next time.
Yes.
We're just gonna finish eating this, and yeah. So hope you guys had a good day, and we'll see you guys later.